In this video, I'm going to show you how to add branded food in MacroFactor. So adding branded food is an easy process. Of course, first, if you don't have the application, make sure to go and download it into your phone. And if you do have it, just go and log in into your account or create an account if you don't have one. The application is paid to keep that in mind. And of course, you can get a free trial for 1 week to try it out for $1 if you want to try it out before even trying to pay for each month. So once you open the application, you should find yourself on a dashboard like this. To add the branded food, you can just go here to the food log and you'll have to choose when did you eat that branded food. If you click on the plus button, here you'll find this search. Automatically, you'll find yourself on search. You can look for the branded food by its name. Let's say, example, I don't know, you ate like a Twix bar or something like that, as you can see, and you should find it. But if you didn't find exactly like the one that you ate or something like that, you'll be able to simply scan the QR code of it. It's very simple, as you can see, to scan the QR code of it, or sorry, not QR code, like the barcode of it, or if it can be scanned by any chance, like, I don't know, you have a problem scanning it, or the camera is not working for you or something like that, you'll be able to add it manually. As you can see, you can enter the barcode number right here. So once you added that, or once you scanned those food, you'll be able now to add it to the log. Once you add it to the log, it's going to be very simple to now keep on track, for example, what you ate. You'll be able to see what you consume and what's remaining for your calories, protein, fats, and carbs. So, and that's basically should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching. And if you have any question, just keep it down below in the comment section. I'll try to help you or answer you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching again, and I'll catch you again in the next video.